brothers. Good job, brothers. Good job, brothers. Yeah, yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Come on, Tommy boy. For the good job. Hey. Woo. Let's go. So sick. Woohoo. Represent crossover crew. Tommy, 여기 집 뛰어, Tommy. Oh! Yeah, yeah! Yeah! Woo! 이번 정식! 이번 갱보!
Yo.
이번 갱보!
Yo, Mike, what it is, yo? Still making feel like grinding daily, feel like can't get it 9 to 5, so I grind my rock, you dig, you know this cool, I take this school, that's what I do. Yo, Chuck, I rock. Don't think so, let's kick rocks, do time on clocks, the boom on box. You like us, homie, that's hogwash. Bull locks on my shoulder.
Let's go.
Started walking on.
Say your shadow. Your shadow. 44. Your shadow. Shadow on the floor. Shadow on the floor.
Now take my picture.
Yeah, yeah.
Back to the front, I can hear the switch, make the trunk lift up. Let me hop in it, let me lace my kicks, then flip the sidekick, peek my options. Go down the list like, not that one. Maybe I heard them all, but that's
okay.
I'll find out just what she's doing.
But Mr. Fox,
You gotta get down,
45.
You gotta get a car like
5.
And I suppose that she gon'
Oh,
I'll take all 3, but the truck that I'm in's only got 2 seats, and I'm in 1, so you know what that means. This decision time, I've been living life. It's 1987, up like living line to the penthouse. So there's 2 left for you, Chuck. I ain't got no penthouse. We party on the rooftop, brand new blazers that came from Malaysia. We have the turntable and stack your DJ. If you don't play us, we rock it to the AM. So you better wake up. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Alright. Let's go, Ray. Let's go, Ray. 44, Ray. 46. Oh! Yeah, okay. Alright. Okay, let's go. We got Alphonse. Why you son? Seven. Why you son? Woo-hoo! Yeah. Alphonse. Oh. Woo. Let's go. Rising Moon. 48.
ton. 3 G's, cause I'm a son of a gun. Black master, really trade under the sun. Talk sharp like a razor blade under the tongue. Clear my path and come get your captain hung. Try to breathe like black and collapse your lung. Young chump, you can choke off the web I spun. I done cleared them out from the threat I brung. You done heard about where I said I'm from. I knew word of mouth,
Yeah.
rule of thumb.
People lyrics.
49.
49.
Love the way thought put it down. We confused with some of y'all. Cats can't walk, watch you ain't going on. With a keyboard, gotta do with a drumming on. School them on stage like I'm doing a seminar. Professional type, I'm a just on the mic. Go to war, kid, I give you any weapon you like. Give you something to run from. I'm sorry, don't stop. The hot shit, you know where it come from.
Yeah.
Worldwide, phenomenon. And when you're listening, that is my 9 to 5. And when I'm finished making you recognize, I'm getting at a couple civilized women that's trying to buy. We're waiting on the war to come off the all. You wanna get the bitches up off the wall. Just to see you smile and enjoy yourself.
Yeah, yeah.
This for all of y'all. I'm going to draw like black people on.
B-boy, come on. B-boy S-Bomb. Let's go. B-boy show. B-boy show. B-boy show. Represent Walk Avenue. Let's go, B-boy, let's go. Mouse up, mouse up. With the three.
When the smoke screens fade, the charades play, nothing remains but the foundation we left is free. Destroy the bill, I feel this killer be killed. What's playing around? No doubt, you don't know what it's about. You think you spitting game, but the game spits you out. Still ain't innovating, you're regurgitating poisonous thoughts, doing dirty work for Satan. I leave you so scarred, your corpse rock.
Yeah.
Arms are too short, the box for God.
B-boy C-Long. 54.
Whether outdoors or indoors, the crowd will endorse my show and end yours. That's natural laws. I get crazy applause. They boo you like Bantan. I shut down Babylon. It's the countdown. We're living in the last couple of days. That's why I never get whack rhymes. Cause ain't no time to waste. No time to fake. No time to chase the pace. Time to get it straight in 1998. That's the number in the mind state. The only way you feel with my style is if it's straight. But I got the mace and the clip is bringing my purse. After the battle, one of us leaving the hearse. Yeah, it's me, but it's fucking man. You know what I'm chilling. Like Blue Notes played on Pluto. I won't get mad if you say you took out bro. I'll just relax, sit back. You want it back.
That's the 4K, man. Oh! That's the 4K, man.
Yeah, my style's off the record. But don't turn off the record. This
yeah.
My lyrics let off right up the whole back. You gonna hold back? Thanks for making it back. Put us all around. Being so deep.
Lord the boy.
Lord the boy.
Showed us all the world, all the kids at. Baby, bitches, all the kids back. Me about to rap this track. Pass the side. Let it go around once, then pass it back. Try to find a life you don't like facing that. Face a cat, then face this track. Face the fact that two aces face is back. Hard and rough. Niggas call the trees a pump. Not bottles. Why put it pump with a cup? Seeing us, it's a hard to walk. Rock close headshot. Nap and red time.
Lord the boy.
Yankee the red side. I break out. Double beer with the numbers not making. Cash and rock, so we hold down the block. Up in the LTO down the block. Freestyle, hot 97, 7 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Don't forget to set your clock. If you sleep on us, dream a lot.
Number 16. Akai.
Let's go. Let's go, we will wiggle.
I know my streets, I know my sound, yo, I know my beats, so I get
Viva Ringo!
take my beats and bounce.
Represent Vietnam. Yeah, all because of him.
Starting from
Hey.
a couple of MCs beatboxing, the crowd in the lunchroom. Yeah, me and Green, both names go together like they ain't supposed to be separate, like D and D. I said it before, I represent this beach at the headquarters. Rest in peace. I'm a holy shotty and knock you out, and I ain't gotta know karate like I rock. It's hip hop, strong and now this is rap basketball. That's all you got. Long as you
Yeah.
Come.
Viva Cup. Let's go. Got it. Got it.
Just to get a grip. You're not getting started. The finest flow of the mains. Rap without me is the source of my pain.
Represent Beat Crew. Represent Beat Clutch.
Back to the voice of the day.
Viva Cup.
What's really up there? I know my space, I know my sound, yo, I know my beats. I take my steps, leaps and bounds. It's hip hop. I will dish you from long distances. You will not get the chance like Chopper. Nance and Nylon to distance. You don't listen to and it's your brain. This is you. Smarting up. Every person in the earth be hard and up, but the only target is us. It's hip hop.
Yeah. Let's go. Everyone.
One. Number 64.
Let's go. SG1.
that wave on the top. And the last B-boy. Number 66.
Yeah.
B-boy Luke.
Too real.
66.
How y'all feel out there? Let me know if it's real out there.
The
Cause
last
it is out
B-boy
there.
solo.
It's a game of survival. Trying to live out here. Round here, I watch cats hit the floor and they land Johnny Gill out here. But there's too many cowards around. Or real getting killed out here. It's still out here. What's to tell you what it is out here? A whole lot of pimps. Some live out here. They liable to set you up. Man, everybody's thugging it out here. Narcos even drug dealing out here.